Metabolic Marvels, the top 18 fat-burning foods you need in your daily diet as a woman. When it comes to nutrition and weight management, focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods is key. While no single food can magically burn fat, certain foods can support a healthy metabolism and aid in weight loss when combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise. Here's a list of 18 foods that can be beneficial for women looking to support their metabolism and manage their weight. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, collard greens, and other leafy greens are low in calories but high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They help keep you full and provide essential nutrients. Lean proteins. Chicken breast, turkey, fish, tofu, and legumes are excellent sources of lean protein. Protein helps you feel full and supports muscle growth and repair. Eggs. Eggs are a complete protein source and contain essential nutrients like choline, which is important for brain health. Berries. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are low in calories, but high in fiber and antioxidants, which can support weight management and overall health. Whole grains. Quinoa, brown rice, oats, and barley are whole grains rich in fiber, which helps keep you full and supports digestive health. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is high in protein and probiotics, which support gut health. Opt for plain, unsweetened varieties to avoid added sugars. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which help keep you satisfied and support overall health. Chili peppers. Chili peppers contain capsaicin, which may boost metabolism and increase fat burning. Green tea. Green tea contains antioxidants and catechins, which may help boost metabolism and promote fat loss. Apple cider vinegar. Some studies suggest that apple cider vinegar may help reduce appetite and promote fat loss when consumed before meals. Salmon. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to reduce inflammation and improve metabolic health. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is high in protein and low in fat, making it a satisfying and nutritious snack option. Grapefruit. Some studies suggest that grapefruit may help reduce appetite and promote weight loss when consumed before meals. Broccoli. Broccoli is low in calories but high in fiber and nutrients, making it a great choice for weight management. Water. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health and can help support weight management by keeping you feeling full and preventing overeating. Remember, while these foods can support a healthy metabolism and weight management, it's important to focus on overall dietary patterns and lifestyle habits for long-term success. Aim for a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. And be sure to incorporate regular physical activity into your routine.